Okay, welcome to MOS Reviews. We're going to look at the Weeylite RGB LED light. Pretty much it goes on top of the camera. You could use it for overhead or just lighting for in the background because it has RGB colors. And so we're just going to look at this. And then I'll do pretty much show how it works and then a review. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe. And so we're just going to put everything here, organize it. I already opened it prior because just check and make sure everything was in it. So you get the RGB light, you get your user manual, QC code, and let's see what else we get here. Warranty card that you can fill out and send. Now, the best way I figure out to do these is pretty much give it some air, and gotta be a little bit rough sometimes with it. It does get stuck. Okay, so we're just gonna see what's in this. Put this in here. And so you have a little tripod that goes in the bottom. And this is the top piece. Goes right here. Just screw it in. And then there's this part right here that holds it. Here we go. Okay, this is the adapter. And this is the Type-C cable for charging it. As you see, right here is to charge it. You have your monitor, your power on off mode set, plus minus. You have your two little slots. And of course your lights. And this is pretty well made, aluminum. So again, if you like this channel, this is MOS Reviews. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. My social media is down below. And I'm going to be going through the testing process of this and also show how to pretty much use it. And then we'll do the review. Okay, we're going to go through the testing process of the video. And so I'm just going to turn on the light. There's 8 modes. And so this is mode 1. And we'll go through the different modes after I go through each mode. So this is mode 1. Mode 2, Mode 3, Mode 4, Mode 5, which looks like it's just cycling through the RGB lights. Mode 6, looks like lightning. Mode 7, sirens. Mode 8. Okay, so let's see, you could press the minus, and that's as low as it gets. That's a 100%. See, this is at 3,200, 4,000, 5,200, 5,500, 6,000, 7,000. So the lowest is 3,200K. So 7,000 is the house. 6,000 has the little icon of the pretty much clouds. 5,500 has lightning. 5,200 has the sun. 4,000, I don't know what the icon is in that one. And then 3,200, which it has like a little bulb. Okay, let's go to mode 2. See, same thing. You can raise the all the way from 2,500K, which is pretty much orange, to 8,500K. Let's keep that at 5,000. Don't want to wear out the battery fast. Okay, mode 3. So I'm raising it from 0 to, and you can see all the different colors. So it goes from, let's see, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Guess the next is purple, purple, and red. Okay, so let's put that back to normal. Let's go to the next thing. So could lower this. And this is still in mode 3. There's 3 different options you could change. Show you right there. Let's try mode 4. And so we have RGB. So we'll go play with the first one. So that's purple. That was the B at 31%. Now we're doing the R. That's at 31%. Let's try the G. Let's try at 31%. And so it's very light purple. Okay, let's try mode 7 or mode 5. So we have here the cloud, and this is one that constantly keeps changing. So let's see, you have how many options? A, C, and B. And so it's just cycling through the colors. Let's try mode 6. This is the lightning. And so there's a little steady pause. This is A right here. It's a lot faster. And C. So the pause is a lot longer. So you can hear A, B, and C. Let's try mode 7. Here's the sirens, which is A. And it's really fast. There's B. Let's get back to C. C is really slow. And remember, you can adjust the light so it's not as bright. It goes down to 10%. Okay, let's try mode 8. And so adjust the light. Go to set. And this is number 2. So number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, you can set the how bright it is, and it goes down to 10%, up to 100. Just that. Now, several things about the light. So the color temperature ranges from 2,500 to 8,500. It has 52 bulbs, 28 white, 24 RGB. It uses micro USB 3000 battery. It has 3 hours of charge It lasts around 1.5 to 2 hours. That's what I've pretty much estimated from testing it. And so the weight is 166 grams, and it has a Cree 95 plus accuracy. And so we're going to just do the review next. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And the next portion of the video will be the review. Okay, welcome back to the review portion of the video. And so one thing I like about the light, it says solid, it's aluminum. And so it has 2 holes for a tripod or to connect to overhead to wherever you want to put the device. It has your USB charging port. And so the battery's already included inside. And so I have 2 overhead lights. And this is one of the things you would use this for. And so I'll show it. It's at 48% at 3,200K, as you can see. Now if I turn this light off, give me a second, it's quite a little bit hard to get to. Okay, pretty much 5 lights going on right now. Here, so if you can turn it up, let's put it at 100% just to show how bright it gets. This is how bright it gets. And so if you have it far enough, it's going to angle where it gets the whole your whole body. That would angle probably going towards my back. So I really like the light. I wish the battery life was a little longer. I mean, 1.5 to 2 hours is good. There's many options for it. And here, let's turn these on. And this one, give me a second. Takes, there you go. And so like I was saying, there's many options for it. Different colors, the lightning, the siren. I don't know how often you use those, but it is a great little light. It's extremely lightweight. This is how big it is. So you can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your backpack or anything that won't weigh you down. Pretty much you could also put it in like different places like bookshelves or anything. If you want to light it different color, you'll see a lot of YouTubers use it where they have different colors coming from the background. You can use this light for that specific reason. Again, I'll probably be using it for my overhead. You can also use it for camera photography, videography. I mean, you can have it from the floor up, or the ceiling down, sideways, anywhere you could put it. And so this light is extremely useful, and I'll be using it for many years. Hopefully it lasts that long. And one thing I'll say is component quality, I would give it like 5 out of 5 for the price range. This is excellent. The battery life, I would give 3 out of 5. I wish they would be 2 to 3 hours long. And then also, I wish there were some different modes that would help with it. There's also, I wish there was like a connection here or here. I wish that there was more options or more add-ons that you could buy. So, or they come included. So, so pretty much the light quality, I would give it 5 out of 5. So overall, it's 5 out of 5. It's a great little light. It will be used tremendously in a lot of my YouTube channel videos that I do. I might use in some of my videos that I do professionally for some products. And so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also my social media descriptions are down below. And see you in the next video.